Hi friends and welcome to Gizbot. I'm Sharmi and today I'm going to talk about a new Motorola smartphone, namely the Moto G71. This is one of the latest phones in the Indian market, falling in the mid-range price segment. Among its key features, we have 5G support, OLED display and much more. Here's what we think. Here with me, I have the Moto G71 5G smartphone. And one of the most unique features of this device is the OLED panel, which is right here. It features a 6.4-inch OLED panel with FHD plus resolution. One can even see the punch hole cutout right here. And one of the best features here is it offers DCI-P3 for the display, which gives users wide range of colors, which comes in quite handy when you're gaming or for video playbacks and such. Also, the Moto G71 is one of the first phones in India to draw power from the Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G chipset. So it offers 13 bands of 5G, which makes it quite a powerful phone, especially if you want to download something or for fast internet browsing and so on. So with the phone, you get 8 GB RAM and you get 128 GB storage. It also runs Android 11 like all Motorola smartphones. There is no other custom OS on this. More importantly, I have to talk about the cameras on the Moto G71 5G. As you can see, it's got triple sensors right here, with the primary camera being the 50 MP quad pixel sensor. The secondary sensor is an 8 MP wide angle sensor, and then you have a 2 MP micro shooter as well. You can also see an LED flash right here. In fact, the camera sensors on this phone is quite similar to the one that we saw on Moto G51. But the key difference is here in the selfie camera, which is placed right in the punch hole cutout. Here we get a 16 MP camera on the Moto G71, whereas on the G51 there was just a 12 MP sensor. Since we are talking about the differences between the Moto G51 and the Moto G71, another key difference is in the battery. First thing is, both the smartphones have a 5000 mAh battery, but the difference is in their chargers. Here the Moto G71 has a 33 watt fast charging support, whereas the G51 came with just 20 watt fast charging support. Both have the USB Type-C port as well for charging. So you can see that's right here. So as you can see, the Moto G71 5G is India's first smartphone with the ST695 chipset. It also features 33 watt fast charging and much more. It's priced at 18,999 as an introductory offer. I'll be posting a detailed review of the same pretty shortly at our website gizbot.com. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.